Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer electronics. Today, we have an exciting product to review. The YINYOO EasyKZ ZST Colorful Hybrid Bandlance Armature with Dynamic In-Ear Earphone. Let's dive right in. The YINYOO EasyKZ ZST offers an unparalleled listening experience with its hybrid design featuring one balanced armature and one dynamic driver. Well, it means you get the best of both worlds. Crisp, detailed highs from the balanced armature and rich, deep bass from the dynamic driver. But what sets these earphones apart is their ergonomic design. With memory wire technology and silicone ear tips, these earphones provide a comfortable and secure fit, perfect for those long listening sessions or on-the-go use. Now, let's talk about the features. These earphones are equipped with noise-canceling technology, ensuring that you can enjoy your music without any distractions. Plus, with a detachable cable design, you have the freedom to customize your listening experience with different cables. Whether you're using them at home, on stage, or during your daily commute, these earphones deliver high-performance audio that will elevate your listening experience. Don't just take our word for it. Let's see what customers are saying. Robinson says, "Great sound, comfortable fit." And DOC Holiday raves, "Simply unmatched at $20." With thousands of positive reviews, it's clear that these earphones are a favorite among audiophiles and casual listeners alike. So, if you're in the market for the best earbud headphones, look no further than the YINYOO EasyKZ ZST Colorful Hybrid Bandlance Armature with Dynamic In-Ear Earphone. With its superior sound quality, comfortable fit, and affordable price point, these earphones are sure to impress. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.